Y'all ever go eat and just get a large water? This water is just delicious. Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. It's your boy, ASneakerLife at one time. I hit on sneakers. Y'all know, bro, I don't know what it is, man. I'm just the luckiest man alive when it comes to sneakers app. Like, shout out to Nike. I think they got me on this magical list. It's called a members only list. So basically, anytime I go for something on sneakers app, I typically get it because they have whitelisted my email to always select me. And if you believe that, I'm just playing. That is not the truth. It's a big lie. So, got him. Nah, but this is my first pair of 14s, bro. Like, I can't say the first pair that I've ever like purchased because back when there was like that championship 13 and the 14, I ended up getting those, but I sold the 14s because I was like, why do I want these? The only other 14 that I've tried to go for is, what is it? The Ferraris, I believe they were called. This is the Gym Red Toro. Retail was $190. I ended up getting 2-day shipping. Let me just recommend this, guys. When it comes to like sneakers app, there's actually a setting where you can change how fast you get the package, which I used to do next day, but it seems like they removed that option. I'm not really sure if it's because of the whole situation that's been happening right now, but I used to do next day just to assure that I was getting my shoes, because a lot of people that purchase on Nike or sneakers app, typically, what's going on here? Why are we not focusing? Hello? There we go. Typically, sometimes it just takes so long or your order can get canceled versus if you get next day, then it typically goes through the system a lot faster. That's just a fun little fact that I've been doing for a long time. So here they are, man. A lot of people wanted these. This is my first pair that I most likely will keep. But we'll see. Let's check out the quality on these bad boys. Quick little first thoughts. If I decide to keep them, I'll do the review. Otherwise, I might just get rid of them. I don't know. In case you were ever wondering, like, you guys see how many sneakers I pick up. I don't keep all of them. I usually try to either sell them to you guys or just get rid of them because I'm one person, bro. I can't. No, sneakers release every weekend. I can't keep every pair. I mean, I could, but that would just be stupid because it all adds up. You know what I'm saying? Like, I would imagine most of your favorite sneaker YouTubers probably drop like at least an easy 20K plus on these sneaker reviews all the time because it adds up, bro. But ooh wee, I like these. I like that. We got kind of this interesting, it almost feels like rubber, but it's suede. Interesting. Oh man, I just love that brand new shoe smell. Ain't nothing better than it. Can you imagine if money smelled like this? Ooh, money dirty though. So yeah, I've never even tried a pair of 14s on. If you haven't seen my unboxing every single Jordan I did 1 through 14, I was kind of telling you guys like I've never actually tried on a pair of 14s. So now it's my time to shine. Oh dang. So a little history on these, if you don't know, this shoe is actually designed based on Michael Jordan's Ferrari. So a little fun fact for you. But I mean, he hooped in these. Ooh, these are actually pretty comfortable. Okay. Yeah, bro, I think I just need, I really feel like I should go with the OGs and the 14s, but everything is so expensive now because of The Last Dance, but these are tough. I mean, I guess I do kind of wear red, but not too much. But this is a pretty versatile sneaker based on just my outfit. Like I could honestly wear this. We got the same red and the Machiavelli shirt on. These are tough, they're super comfortable. Damn, I've been missing out. Okay, so we just confirmed. ASneakerLife confirmed. Jordan 14s are mad comfortable. Oh my God, Jesus Christ. Not saying that in the name of, not saying that in vain. I mean that in a good way. These are cool. What is resell? Oh, there has been 1,905 pairs sold of these on this app. current resale is sitting around $260. Retail $190. Not bad, not bad. Seems like size 12 and a size 15 are gold right now. These are gonna go up in price. These are gonna be worth a lot of money, I already know. But I think I'm gonna keep them, bro. Definitely gonna keep them. Stay tuned for a review. I really rock with these. They're super comfortable, guys. If you don't own a pair of 14s, definitely, if you have an opportunity to just try a pair on, pretty solid, nice quality. Dang. Yeet, first thoughts. What do you guys think, man? Let me know. Is this a keep or a sleep? But this is your boy ASneakerLife. I'll see you on the next one. Run it.
House pin game, something mad, yes, bros. No sleeping, been a task rabbit, been a lab addict. The chief of the tribe I put on for my village. Used to be local, I'm taking it global. Sharp with the focus, she catching emotion. Treat that holistic, I give it a physics. Fuck your opinion, just did a show, only spit raw material. I'm independent, bitch, I'm in the building.